All right, just collecting peppers again. Getting ready to make some hot sauce and some pickled banana peppers. Should have enough in here for that. We've got a mixture of the green cayenne and the purple cayenne and a few red ones in here. Probably start off doing the fermenting the banana peppers first. And I need to clean these and cool them off a little bit, and then we'll start chopping. And 3 cloves of garlic. Let's pour the brine in there. This is just tap water. We use well water here, so no chlorine. It's just 2 quarts of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, actually a little bit more than 2 tablespoons because I spilled a little bit, so about 2.5 tablespoons of salt in here. It's supposed to be about 1 tablespoon per quart of water. So we're just going to pour that in there. So I don't have any glass weights and I don't have the right jars, so I'm just using what I got. I need to have something to hold this down with. Keep it from floating to the top. So I got a lid here off of a sour cream container. It fits in there almost perfectly. You just have to kind of bend it a little bit. Thing that floats up over top of it, just kind of try and push it back under there. Or just take it out. I'll probably just take those out. That'll work for that. And since I don't have a fermentation lid, I'm just using a plastic bag over the top of it with a rubber band. Then we're going to give this 5 to 10 days to ferment when we start making our sauce. So when I get ready to do sauce, I'll do another video on it. Just keep it in a cool, dark place, which is the kitchen table here. Just turn the lights off, the sun doesn't get over here, and we'll just let it sit, ferment 5 to 10 days. Then we'll make our sauce, and we'll be good.